Christmas is coming. Alright, come on, buy. This to bought this yourself. Well, guys, this is real, and it's not that expensive, guys. This is just 5,000 naira. Okay, what's that? And also this sunscreen.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, how you doing guys? It's another vlog. Today is 26th of, let me check. Yeah, today's 26th of November. It's almost Christmas. Guys, I'm so happy that Christmas is coming. I don't know, I'm talking like a baby, I don't know, but I'm just happy that Christmas is coming. So today I want to get some stuff, so I'm going out already, and it's this is 11:56, so it's almost 12, and that's the update for now. Guys, how are you doing? I've missed you. Yeah, thank you so much for engaging to my last video, guys. I can see that you've been liking my videos. I can see your comments, I can see everything, guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I'm going to Ogunpa market, like the popular Ogunpa market in Ibadan. I will show you how it looks. Hopefully it did not snatch my phone, but yeah. Okay, what's that? So I pele 115. Ele like pele. But mom me ba test ele o. O ṣiṣẹ́. Okay. 3,000.
Ele 3,000, ele 2,000. Àwọn ilé 115, 4,000.
Okay, lo an gbogbo je.
Láti ẹni 4,000. 3,000. Ele méje le ba 5,500.
Ẹkújọ́ mẹ́ta.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ 10,000.
Ẹkọ́ ẹ̀mí ni àìbẹ̀rẹ̀.
Budget ni. Yeah. I'm not in the store. I have so many things to do, but I'll soon be going home. Yeah, that's the updates. The sun is down. It's currently late, so yeah, a client order. So I'm packing this. This is Dr. Till. This is the new one. Can you see? And she's going for this too. This is the wash. This is the lotion. The scrub. The oil. Oh, she's not buying oil. Okay, she's not buying oil. Yeah. The face wash. So she's going for this face wash and the moisturizer all in one. So I'm packing this. I'm packing that. And she's going for this vitamin C serum from Face Facts, and also this sunscreen. So these are everything I'm packing. And to say thank you, with this, so because she's a first-time customer, so I'm adding this face mask as thank you for patronizing us. It's going inside, and this is the other. Yeah, it's quite big. So I'm sending this out very soon. I'll send this video tomorrow morning. It's currently late. It's almost, this is almost 6:18. So I'm sending this tomorrow morning. That's it. Guys, we don't have lights, so because petrol is very expensive now, and there's nobody in the store, so there's no need of owning or powering the generator, because you have to conserve, not in this economy. So yeah, I want to check this video out and see. So that's what I want to do again now in the store. I'm not sure it is. Look at it, and it's so good. Come and buy. Yeah, I need to pack some wigs. Like, I'm looking for something to pack actually. I thought we have more wigs, but we are like, I have to restock on wigs. So these are all what we have. And you know, Christmas is coming. Come and spend your money. So I don't want something like customers will come and we won't have. So that's also. Let me show you some of us. I don't even know. Like, most people don't even know that we are selling wigs. We have nice bob wigs. This is a bob wig, but it has not been straightened because, like, guys, like, you bob this yourself. But guys, this is real, and it's not that expensive, guys. This is just 55,000 naira with this economy, guys. It's not expensive. So guys, another customer's order, like, yeah, so we have this and this, and like, you know, this soap is a black soap and it's so nice. It's so nice. Yeah, I have another thing I want to pick from here. Okay, so this is another order. What is going out? Yeah, I just got back home and I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since morning. This is almost 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. So I want to have something to eat first, then I'll talk to you later.